I'll be starting by pressing the saute button on my instant pot. Once I see the hot notification, I'll be adding in some vegetable oil. Then I leave it to get to hot again, and then I start adding in my dry spices. So I used rosemary, curry powder, and some thyme. Once the spices are infused with the oil and you can smell it, I'm going to pour in my washed rice. So this is 4 cups of rice. I washed it and drained it. At this point, you have an idea of how your cooked fried rice would be. So if you want the color to be brighter than this, you can add more curry powder. But I'm going to leave mine like this, and then I'll keep on stirring. So you keep stirring and frying. You want to watch it so that it doesn't burn until it looks like this. So now that it's like this, I'm going to add some chicken stock. And then I'm going to add a little bit more water. Like this is enough. You want the water to be above the rice, just a little bit. Now I'm going to taste for seasoning and adjust if necessary. Once you are satisfied with the seasoning, cover it. Then I'm going to cancel this and put it on the rice function and let this pressure cook till it's ready. I have my rice cooking here. I'm going to work on my mixed vegetables. So I'm adding a little bit of oil. So for protein, I'm using some gizzard. I cut it into small pieces and I've seasoned it with salt and some black pepper. I'm going to add this. So you want to cook this till it's no longer pink and it's cooked through. Now that the gizzard is cooked through, I'm going to add some onion. So the beeping sound means my rice is ready. You can see how fast it is. But I'm just going to leave it to release naturally until I'm done with my mixed vegetables. Now I'm going to add some minced ginger and garlic. I'm going to add in my mixed vegetables. I'm using frozen mixed vegetables here. So I can pour everything at the same time. If you are using fresh vegetables, you want to put them at different stages, like starting with the carrots, because carrots take a longer time to cook. But these are frozen, so it will work like this. I'll keep stir frying till all the liquid is absorbed. Then I'm going to also season my mixed veggies. The mixed veggies are done. My rice, the pressure has naturally released for like 11 minutes. So I'm just going to release the rest. Okay. So I'm just going to check my rice. You can see that it's not gummy and the water is dry. So I'm going to add my mixed vegetables. And then we're going to mix the whole thing up. And this is it. Instant pot fried rice. Very simple. Using the instant pot to cook rice makes sure that you have perfect results. I also use my instant pot to cook white rice. I don't even remember the last time I cooked rice on like the stove top. I always use my instant pot for white rice, jollof rice, fried rice, any rice, and it's always perfect. Or I bake it in the oven. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and also subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already. Please turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video, which is every Saturday by 12 p.m. Eastern Time or 5 p.m. West African Time. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section on what you think about this recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.